The Master's in Medicine and Aesthetics at IMEC has been a real game changer.
I'm loving the master's program. I'm learning so many things. The instructors are amazing.
I've been learning way more than I expected.
I felt that confidence that many of us didn't have at the beginning.
It's given me the confidence to say, I can treat all my patients without false expectations, and on top of that, with real results.
The relationship with classmates and professors is really wonderful.
Honestly, it's definitely felt like a family. We've had a really great relationship.
Now, I have friends all over the world.
Community, family, and above all, a lot of science in teaching with plenty of hands-on practice.
Oh, the instructors are fantastic. Everyone is so open to teaching.
We're training doctors from all over the world. In my case, from Lebanon, Dubai, Austria, even Costa Rica. And my experience has been really good.
Since everyone comes from different backgrounds and experiences, it's a very multicultural exchange. And honestly, we're having a fantastic experience, working day by day with lots of patients.
Each person at their own pace and learning, always on an upward curve.
We, as professors, are here giving it our all, with all the passion and dedication we have for teaching, sharing all our knowledge without any barriers.
And for us as teachers, it's been an unforgettable experience.
Honestly, it's amazing to see how much they've grown over these 3 weeks, and each one of them has left a significant mark on us.
It's been a complete success, and we're very happy with the results of this first edition of the IMICE Masters in Medicine and Facial Aesthetics. After so much work, after so much effort, we did it. All right.